early today on a Friday, so now you guys will get to see what kind of traffic we deal with here. This is only like 3:30 on a Friday, so we haven't even hit rush hour yet. This is traffic coming out of Charlotte. So I'm east of Charlotte now. And I'm out near the Beltway, the 485 Beltway, which kind of goes around the city. I'm going to take the back roads, which is the least busy way home. But yeah, this is about when traffic starts. 3:30, 4-ish. It's going to get busy here. Not the best time to be on a bike, that's for sure. But like I said, we're going to take the back way, so we'll have the least amount of traffic possible to contend with. Try to get out of this mess and get on some rural back roads as soon as possible. Usually I work quite a bit later. My regular shift is like 10 to 7. But in my job, I am on call quite a bit. So I already know of one time this weekend I'm going to have to work middle of the night. So my management's pretty lenient with my hours, just knowing that I spend a lot of time outside of regular business hours working and being available. So a lot of times I actually end up working more than a 40-hour week. That's easily. My hours range anywhere from 45 to 50 usually, but I work the later shift, so 10 to 7, but sometimes that turns into 10 to 9, or I've been here as late as 10 or 11 at night sometimes in the office. Usually I come out around 7, 8, 9. Which I like because it avoids all this traffic. I like coming in late, avoiding the morning rush hour. I like going home late and avoiding the evening rush hour. Highway 74 we're going over right now, which is the exit from downtown to the left, and the beach direction on the right. As you see, it's pretty busy, especially on a Friday. So that runs east and west. Try to always avoid Highway 74, especially during rush hour. It's a busy road. 485. Here's a construction area I was going to come check out sometime. They're building up there to the left. Still building today, so I won't go up there, but maybe over the weekend I might roll up there and see what's going on. Probably building another subdivision. This is right outside of Charlotte. We're in the town of Stallings right now, which is a very small area. Literally a couple crossroads. Gotta love the back roads home. Pretty much out of the traffic now, so. Indian Trail's a bigger town. This is also outside of Mecklenburg County, so not in Charlotte's County anymore. This is Union County. Lower taxes. make it a light. Oh yeah, we'll make it a light. Hurricane knocked the steeple down on that church. Alright guys, I'm about home, so appreciate you riding with me, and catch you guys at another time. Hope you have a good weekend wherever you are, and if you're still flooded out for the hurricane, I wish you the best.